Welcome back, YouTube family. This is Christian back into the video just for all of you guys. We are finally here, guys, at the RSFuture shop. We brought the Supra down. We're gonna get a whole bunch of stuff done in the Supra this week. We got some parts coming with Aero Flow. We got some wrap coming with Elite Wraps. We got the brand new Sebin paint match hood. We got a whole bunch of other stuff coming. But today is a special day that I've been waiting so long to finally go ahead and check out and get my Corvette. RSFuture and Art of Attack is definitely the shop you guys are going to want to come to. If you guys want some awesome people that are going to take care of your cars, definitely come over here to Art of Attack and RSFuture. This is the team right here. Yeah, they got the new design. Whenever you guys see this, go ahead and check out Art of Attack. Definitely going to be ordering probably some stuff from them for this Supra I got outside, and then Amir's working on my Corvette. Come over here and check out their work. They literally work with all types of cars. You guys can see they have this Art of Attack GT3 that they've also been working on with Amir at RSFuture. They have this bolt-on wing that is absolutely pretty sick. They have some new cars that they're going to be coming with this type of wing, so stay tuned for that. You just yes! Y'all, it has been a long road, but we are here. We're able to finally get this car. We're able to finally be able to get the last pieces of the puzzle for this vehicle.
Gonna go fast.
Gonna go fast. Amir, man, has just been killing it. Thank you for the whole team over here that's been killing it. Let's just walk around, man. So this is the brand new wing, and I don't even know if the video is doing it justice on not just how good it looks, but just how big this wing is. Amir really killed it with these uprights right here, and the quality is just fantastic. Like, look at this, guys. Like, damn, that's crazy. And then also, as you guys saw from the other updates, Amir and the team, we're fully taking everything out. I mean, you guys can see even this right here, this little plastic piece, like everything that can come out, did come out pretty much with the car. Let's even come over here and check out inside. Even the door panels are off. You guys might see a bunch of wires. We're still finishing putting everything together. You got to put the cage in, so once the cage gets in, then we can finally tie everything down, put everything in. But damn, this thing looks fantastic. And then come over here and take a look at this splitter. See how big it is. So what we did, the Z07 package comes with this is a stage 3 lip carbon right here. It does come with its own end plates. With Amir and RSFuture, they built their own end plates to obviously mirror and match the splitter, which is gonna be really nice. I'll show you guys kind of how that would look on the car. But just to give you guys perspective of, this is the stage 3 Aero that comes with a stage 3 wing from Corvette. And then you guys can see, this is the RSFuture splitter right here. And just, oh my gosh, like look at this. So with this splitter, we're able to get the splitter on, and then what we're gonna do, like I was saying before, when we take it to get the cage in, we're gonna put the end plates on, and we're also gonna finish putting the little air dam pieces. All right, y'all, so I have had to start and stop like 5 times and just enjoy this moment. Like, this is such a big milestone for me, guys. If you guys already know, this car literally means everything to me. It's been my dream car for so long, and I've always wanted to build a C7R type car. And man, like, this is just, it's all thankful all to you guys, all to everyone that supported me, watched all my videos, helped me in my personal life outside of YouTube. That has got me to this point, and this is my C7 Z06 that we've been building, guys. This is crazy. Like, this is absolutely insane. Everything about this car is just fantastic. Let me go ahead and really just kind of show you guys a little bit of it. So we were able to take everything out. Again, some of the stuff, some of the wires are kind of dangled. We have to put the cage in, and once we get the cage in, then we can finalize and fully put everything with the car. But for the most part, it's pretty much done, man. We're just gonna just put the last bit of things on here and finish it. But yeah, I mean, this thing is raring and ready to go, and we're ready to take this thing to the track. We're gonna go ahead and get this cage in here, and then this bad boy is gonna be done. And I know it's been a long wait for you guys, and you guys have been waiting for a lot of Corvette content and track content, and I appreciate you guys for just staying with me and putting the notifications on. But man, you guys, we are at the finish line for, man, you guys want literally the best Aero for any car. You know, I've worked with a bunch of different companies, but there's nothing that is even close, or there's nothing that is even close to what RSFuture does when it comes to the aerodynamics of cars, guys. They literally bring the car in, they 3D scan everything, they make it perfect to your exact car and how you have it and what you're looking for. All right, guys, so I was talking about before with the side splitters right here. Here's how it would look essentially on the vehicle. It's gonna be just like this. It's very, very similar. It looks pretty similar. It might be slightly a little different, but this is pretty much what I would have on that car. So that way, the Aero, the tunneling goes straight through the sides as well, and it escapes out the rear. So I would have that. And then as far as the end plates would also look just like this too. So you guys can see the air, how it pushes out that way. It would be just like that on the front. And shout out one more time to Amir. This is his record-setting NSX that he's going to be competing in a limited class this year. He was just killing in street class. Him and Jackie Dean were going back and forth with their NSX and Supras, but now he moved up, and this thing is just bonkers, man. Shout out to Riley. I don't even know if you watched my channel, Riley, but man, his interior titanium, just cage work and fabrication, and just the way he did everything is just, oh, it's perfect. It is perfect. So shout out to Riley. This is Amir's NSX. He's going to be taking it to Chuck Walla for a quick shakedown before he takes it to Dakota for this weekend. Damn, look at that wing. But yeah, guys, we removed everything in here that can be removed, even the little compartments over there. We removed the glove compartment here. Like I said, don't worry about the wire. I'm just gonna go ahead and tie everything down. And then we're gonna go ahead and tie this down too, so that way it doesn't just like dangle like that. So that will be taken care of. But for the most part, this is how it's going to be sitting. And I love the fact that even though everything is gutted, it still has a very like clean look to it. And it still looks very, very dope in here. But at the end of the day, like I said, you have to go fast, man. If you wanna go fast, you gotta remove everything that you can. So everything up, even up here, everything's just removed. Everything's gone. That's crazy. All right, guys, here's some of the pieces that we have for the Corvette that they took out. Look at all these pieces, man. But here's some of the pieces that we do need to put back in. Like, we have the ZL1 add-ons tow hooks in the front and the rear. We also have the Ram Air right here and some of the other pieces that just need to go on the car. But for the most part, look at all these pieces. These are the door panels right here. Just some of the interior pieces, some of the air conditioning pieces, some of the plastic pieces, some of the bigger pieces. Like, look at all this stuff, man. Like, we took all this out. Don't need the air conditioning in there anymore. Air conditioning is out. We took these pieces out right here. Look at all this. Even this rear exhaust piece, it's like a metal piece. It's pretty heavy. Look at all this weight. And this was the old wing. So to give you guys comparison, I know you saw the wing. This is my old wing that I was using with the front that I was using. Now this is crazy. You know, on Big Willow and a few of my other track days, I said it didn't feel like I had enough downforce or didn't have enough like just aero to really be able to handle that 7, 8, 9 sweep. I really think now we're gonna do so much better on that 7, 8, 9 sweep to hopefully take off some seconds the car. But look at all these pieces. This is all was in the car. Like, it's crazy to think about. All of this was in the car. all of that was now removed, so we're gonna be able to save some weight. We're gonna be putting that 4-point bolt in, so it's gonna add a little bit of weight, but I think overall, I think we're gonna lose more weight than what we just put on with like the Aero and the 4-point cage. Now look, you saw that last wing. Now take a look at how this is. Sheesh, that is crazy. Look at this. How this wing is. You see, this is this wing. That's that one. You guys can just really be able to see not just the quality of the two wings, we can really see the size, kind of fitment, kind of how it was angled, how it was really built for my platform. Even you can see how much just bigger. Look at the end plates comparison, look at the wing comparison. But I do have this wing. This is a great wing for kind of like you know, beginner to intermediate applications and power that you might have for the car, or the type of tracking, just kind of getting used to it. I do have this wing available. Oh man, woo! Wiped her down. Car is ready. All right, y'all, the Corvette and the Supra finally together at the same time. Got the Vet, got the Supra, man. We finally got them both. So you guys can see the Supra, you guys can see the Vet. Now the Supra sits super low, but look how low the Corvette sits. I forget how low this thing sits. Dang. We got Team Supra and we got Team Vet. Both got them together, finally together, y'all. We did it. Thank you guys for just all the support, for following the channel, for following the builds. This is the Supra we got going on. This is the Vet we got going on. Whole bunch of stuff coming this week for the Supra. A whole bunch of stuff coming for the Corvette soon. And man, just want to say thank you guys so much. Thank you to Amir. Thank you to the Art of Attack team. Thank you to everyone that's helped support this channel. Amir's about to go to the track right now and absolutely crush it over at Chuck Waller right now for some testing. And we're about to take this car over to the Track Spec Motorsports so we can go ahead and get the cage. Anyway, I hope you guys liked the video. Hit the like button if you guys liked the video. Hit the subscribe button. Follow the journey. Like I always keep saying, guys, go after your dreams and make them a reality. And this can be you, guys. This can be you. If you want this, you can have it. Just go out there, work hard every day, and put your mind to every single thing that you do every single day. Have a great day, y'all. Be safe. Peace.